morning. It is New Year's Eve and it's been an awesome year. I've been thinking about this vlog for a little while now, thinking about what I wanted to talk about. So my top 3 accomplishments for this year, in my opinion. Number 1 is quitting tobacco. I stopped chewing altogether. Haven't chewed in forever. So it used to be something, it was a habit whenever I was driving, it was easy. So I quit chewing. That is number 1. Number 2, as you saw in the first vlog, went without drinking beer for an entire year. So didn't drink any beer, tried other whiskeys, wines, all that fun stuff, but didn't drink beer for an entire year. So that was awesome. And then on my photography journey, I photographed in over 3-4 states, shot over, I think 19 weddings. I had 19 weddings this year, a plethora of seniors, some special events. I was flown to Chicago to photograph an event, and then I went to I think when I was going through like all the small conferences, big conferences, I think I went to 14 photography related events this year, and that didn't include like the small camera store stuff. That was just going to, out to Vegas for shows, for New York City this year, down to St. Louis, and I visited, I think, 13 states. So in the traveling, so for me, it was an awesome year. I can't wait for the new challenges of 2018, especially with my new job at Panasonic, which leads me to kind of what I'm doing today. I'm going out and I'm working with the FZ series. So the FZ series is our zoom camera. So they're the ones that can zoom in really far, take pictures of the moon or things far away. So there's some bird sanctuaries, if you will, or some wetland areas near my house. I hate being cold, so I'm gonna go check those out. But I wanted to wish everybody, when this plays, it'll be New Year's Day. I wanna wish everybody a happy new year. And you probably saw my hoodie, and this is something that, has gotten me through a lot. And I actually have a tattoo on my arm of it. It is, God is greater than the ups and downs. So if 2017 for you was an up and or a down, you had those points in your life, whatever you would say, like where 2017 could go away, or for me it was awesome. It was very rewarding. I loved 2017, and even in those ups, he was with me, and in those lows, he's also always with you. So if you ever see that hoodie that I have, that's what it stands for. God is greater than the ups and downs in life, and is something that I truly believe. So for you, I hope you have a great night, or you had a great night. This is going on January 1, and I hope you have an awesome new year. Take it, embrace it, make the best of it. I'm gonna go get bundled up and head outside and try to take some photos. Okay, first and foremost, I absolutely hate the cold. I hate being cold, I hate winter, I don't do winter sports, I stay inside in the winter. But with the new job, I have to learn these cameras. So today I'm taking the FZ 2500 out. It goes out to, it's a super zoom camera, goes from 24 to 480. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find some wildlife, and I'm gonna try to get some cool images, just get used to this camera, so that way, if someone's looking for this camera in a camera store, I can speak intelligently on it. So I'm braving the cold here. You can see I'm totally bundled up. Yes, it's still me, not a terrorist. I'm trying to stay warm so I can go out and hopefully get some pictures of some birds or some faraway things with the Lumix, the FZ 2500. So I'm gonna get some photos, some videos, test out the ND filters, some of the cooler features of this camera. So we are currently at the waterfowl park by my house. Hopefully we can find something to shoot. The reason I came here is because they have a fire tower. So I'm hoping that I can climb to the top of the fire tower and zoom into all the different things that are kind of around there. That's some pretty cool stuff. Oh my God. It is cold. It's a really fun camera. Still have to figure out how to change the autofocus as far as the different focus modes and how to move it around on screen. Probably be easier if I didn't have gloves on to use the touchscreen. But when it's 13 degrees out in Ohio, you just make the best with what you have. So here are some of my favorite shots from the day. These are the only 2 places that we're gonna stop because it's really cold and I have to go home and start getting ready. We're gonna cook some pizza for New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna head home, check out some of my favorite pictures.